In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS to Cloudflare in Windows 10 and 11. If you've heard that Cloudflare's DNS service can make your browsing faster and more private, and you want to actually switch over to it, don't worry. This is a setting change, not anything technical you need to install, and I'll walk you through both Windows 11 and Windows 10, since the menus look a little different between the two. Let's dive right in. Quick refresher before we start. DNS is basically the internet's phone book. Every time you type in a website name, your computer asks a DNS server to translate that into the actual numerical address it needs to connect to. By default, that job is handled by your internet provider, but their servers aren't always the fastest or the most private option out there. Cloudflare's DNS, at the address 1.1.1.1, is built to be quicker and to not log your browsing activity the way some providers do, which is exactly why we're switching over to it. One quick note, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account before you start, since changing network settings usually needs that level of access. Option A, Windows 11. Open the Start menu and click into Settings, then head to Network and Internet. From there, select whichever connection you're actually using, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and click into it. Now, look for DNS Server Assignment and click Edit next to it. In the little pop-up window, change the drop-down from Automatic DHCP over to Manual, and then flip on the toggle for IPv4. Two boxes will appear. Go ahead and enter 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS and 1.0.0.1 as the alternate DNS. Having that second address as a backup means if the first server ever has a hiccup, your connection quietly falls back to the other one instead of failing outright. Once both are entered, click Save. Option B, Windows 10. Right-click the Wi-Fi or network icon down in your system tray and select Open Network and Internet Settings. From there, click Change Adapter Options. Find the connection you're using, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the list that appears, scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Select it and click Properties again. Now choose the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. Just like before, enter 1.1.1.1 in the preferred DNS server box and 1.0.0.1 in the alternate DNS server box. Then click OK to save it. Once you've made the change, either reconnect to your Wi-Fi network or, if you're on Ethernet, simply unplug and reconnect the cable. This makes sure your device actually picks up the new settings right away instead of continuing to use the old ones until your next restart. To double-check everything worked, open your browser and head to 1.1.1.1 Help. That page will tell you directly whether your connection is now using Cloudflare's DNS, so you're not just taking it on faith that the change went through. And if anything stops loading properly afterward, don't panic. Head back into the same settings screen and double-check what you typed, since a stray space or a mistyped digit in those address boxes is almost always the culprit. Switching back to automatic at any point instantly undoes everything, so there's no risk in trying this out. So to recap, head into your network adapter's DNS settings, whether through Windows 11's Settings app or Windows 10's Control Panel, switch to Manual, enter 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1, reconnect your network, and verify it worked at 1.1.1.1. Help. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.